Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how to remove your Gmail account from your Android phone. It's very easy. Let's check it out. Firstly, you need to open your Gmail app in your Android phone. Once you're in the app, you will see the menu option on the top left. Click on it. Once you're in the menu, at the bottom of the menu, you will see the settings option. Click on it. Once you're in the settings, you will see all the Gmail accounts that you're logged into. Now you need to go ahead and press on the three dots at the top right of the screen and select Manage Accounts. Once you're in the Manage Accounts section, you need to click on the Google. Once you're in the Google option, you will see all the Gmails you are logged into. Just select one you want to log out of it or remove. Now you have removed. Now select on More. And there is the option of removing the account. Press on Remove and remove the account. See, it's that simple. See you next time.